enjoyed it. It was quite hot, but a lot of time to race, and it was quite fun, really. I have a race car, an old PHP race car, and I tried it, and I never made the experience to go so fast like today. Won't get any better stuff than we have. It's the most important to reduce the weight and you increase the performance of the car.
We had a wonderful event this afternoon or the whole day. Good weather, good customers, they are all happy with the day, the race day, no accidents. Exhaust system, a little bit more power, a little bit more sound, more torque, perfect work. It's the best on the market. The customer like to use it, not just to buy it and to have it, they also like to use it. And the best to use it is on the racetrack.
This is our environment, races, top speed, simply the ultimate environment to test our products. Here, through this event, we are closer to our customers. Always our aim was to develop our products with and for the customers. We don't want to stop. We believe that we are a very bright future in front of us. Core of our essence is going to be obviously the races for both cars and motorcycles. But given that we are under the one roof, we are combining both technologies for both composites and titanium. There's many other applications, and both two materials are the materials of the future, so we don't want to stop here.
In very extreme circumstances, we still reach the point where there is no question about the quality we deliver. They're really going for the emotion, for having fun, taking a car on a racing track because it's not possible to do it on the public streets anymore. And well, it's quite obvious why they choose for our product, because it goes hand in hand quality-wise. So yeah, we know our customers are enjoying themselves, so are we in being here, so next time for sure we will be back.